Besides its powerful, no-emissions performance and ultra-low noise levels, one of the great things about the Bobcat T7X all-electric compact track loader is how familiar it is to operate. If you know and love traditional Bobcat loaders, you'll have no difficulty operating the new T7X. As always, consult your operation and maintenance manual for full instructions. First, let's take a look at the overall cab layout. Up above, you'll see the cab light. The radio is located directly below the cab light. There's a storage compartment in the upper left corner with a storage net and 12-volt power ports for charging electronic devices. The emergency stop button is at the bottom of the left cab column, underneath the left control panel. If necessary, push the button to initiate an immediate shutdown of travel, lift, and tilt. At the top of the right cab column is the touch display. It provides operating information and control over machine settings. A rear-view camera system also integrates with the touch display for optimal job site visibility. For more information on the 8-inch touchscreen display, watch our complete T7X touchscreen how-to video. To the right of the touchscreen, you'll see the heat and air conditioning controls with fan control, air conditioning activation, defrost, and temperature control. Let's look at the machine functions on the left control panel. You'll find buttons for the windshield wiper, windshield washer, and dual direction bucket positioning. This feature keeps the bucket load at a consistent angle throughout the lift cycle to reduce spillage and improve operator efficiency. Press the button once again to engage single direction bucket positioning for the up direction only. The LED will let you know that the function is on. Press it a second time to engage dual direction bucket positioning for lifting both up and down. 2 LEDs on the button will light. Press the button a third time to disengage dual direction bucket positioning. Moving to the right control panel, you'll find the power button you'll use to start the machine. To start, press the power button and wait for the LED to turn on. The operate button activates the Bobcat Interlock Control System, or BICS, enabling all loader functions. The power off button is directly to the right of the power on button. Be sure to park the machine on a level surface. Fully lower the lift arms with the attachment flat on the ground and press the button to turn the electrical system off. Then you can raise the seat bar, unbuckle the seat belt, and exit the loader. The light activation controls all exterior working lights. Press once to activate the front working lights and rear tail lights. Press it twice to add rear work lights. Press a third time to activate the side work lights. To turn off all the lights, press the button a fourth time. The parking brake button is below the power off button. Press it to engage the parking brake. Slowly move the joysticks forward and backward to check that the traction is locked. Press the operate button to disengage the parking brake. The selectable joystick control button enables you to select ISO or H pattern controls. ISO is enabled by default, but if you prefer H pattern, press the button to change control styles. An LED lets you know the current selection. A peak power control dial helps you control the available power to increase overall efficiency or boost performance for the task. Rotate the knob clockwise to increase power. Rotate it counterclockwise to decrease the power. That's a brief look inside the cab of a Bobcat T7X all-electric loader from Bobcat. For more information, see your operation and safety manual or visit bobcat.com.